What did you do this week?
This week, I worked on engineering notebook, the newspaper.
This week we worked on Future World Vision, the engineering notebook, and Impact. This week we worked on our linear slide intake prototypes. We made some changes. We added a roller, and now we're working on the actual sliding part of it. So we decided on a rack and pinion design, and we're currently prototyping that.
The best you ever had is just a memory and those dreams. But as daft as they seem, my love, when you dream them overflow. Where did you go? Where did you go? Where did you go?
What did you do this week?
We started prototyping our climb. We started machining the bearing blocks for the climb on our Bridgeport, and we cut the stock for the climb.
Basically, I started CADing the gearbox for the drive was being used for the rookie bot, and then we're prototyping it right now. And I'm tapping a bunch of churros. I put the bindings together, and I made sure the gears worked. So yeah.
Today we worked on developing the rookie bot dev bot. So we learned a lot about electrical, mechanical, and programming. And yeah.